Hey girls, welcome back to my nail channel. I have a very special video today and I'm so excited to finally be posting it. On my nails right now, I currently have some gel polish from Makartt. I will have it linked in the description. Today I'm going to be reviewing and testing out the Emily Susanah Polygel kit that she has with Makartt. I'm just showing you here the packaging of this polygel kit. All of Makartt's polygel kits are super cute and the packaging is amazing, but this one is by far the best packaging that Makartt has. Enough about the outside, let's take a look at the inside of this kit. So you do have a little message from Emily Susanah, and I think this is a lovely touch to this packaging. Sadly, this kit is a limited edition, and as far as I'm aware, there are a few still available in the Makartt Canada, but they're sold out everywhere else. This kit does come with the instructions and a little thank you card. This kit does have a lot of content, so I'm going to break everything down for you. In the left-hand corner, you have your polygels. These are 15 milliliter tubes of polygel. You get your base and top coat, 3 glitters, the holographic powder, the 100-180 grit hand file, which has her name on it. It's so cute. I don't even use it for this tutorial because, I want to keep that. You also get the polygel brush that also has her name on it, and this is the dual end, so you have the brush on one side and the spatula tool on the other. I did just show you a close-up of the brush, but I am going to go ahead and do a close-up of the other items. This holographic powder does come with the applicator to apply it to your nails. This kit does come with the upgraded base and top coat. The upgraded just meaning that these are the rectangle bottles, are both 8 milliliters. So for the glitters, the first one that I'm going to be showing you is the one that has the butterflies in it. So this one is a mixed glitter. This one is called Blueberry Sugar Crystals, and it just has a mix of different types of glitter, but the main piece in this one is the butterflies. The second one I'm showing you is a pink glitter mix. This one is called Pink Vanilla Sugar Crystals. This one is also a mix of different glitter shapes, but the main one for this glitter is the cherry blossom shape. And the last glitter of this kit is also a very similar color to the first glitter that I showed you. This one is called Cotton Candy Sugar Crystals. The main shape in this glitter is clouds. The color scheme of this glitter is basically the same as the first glitter. The polygels that come in this kit are clear, the blue, which is called marshmallow, the purple, which is called grape floss, and the pink, which is called bubblegum. Underneath the plastic of the box, you do get more items. So you have the dual forms. You get 12 sizes, and you do get the curvy and the natural flat curve dual forms. The one on the left is the curvy, and the one on the right is the natural flat curve. I always use the natural flat curve dual forms because my nail beds are naturally very flat. This kit also has the mini lamp, so this is a USB UV LED lamp. This is what cures your polygel after you apply it. This kit is very nice because it does come with every single thing that you need to do your manicure. This is a 6-watt UV LED lamp, and you just tap the top of the UV LED lamp to turn it on and off. And here is the cord for the lamp. As I said, it is a USB plug-in. This kit also has the nail decorations, so you have some pink rhinestones in all different sizes. And for the part that I was most excited about, the 3D decorations. On the bottom you have different shapes. I'm just showing you the heart ones. They are kind of clear, but they have a rainbow color to them. And you also get these 3D gummy candy nail decorations. They are a tiny bit squishy, but they have like a sugar coating which makes it look like you can eat them. and you get a bunch of colors of those hearts. That's everything that comes in this kit, so let's get started with the tutorial. Here's a swatch of all the colors side by side so you get an idea of all the colors that come in this kit. I have already prepped my natural nails and put on some long coffin full cover nail tips. I am just going to take the base coat and apply a thin even layer to all of the nails. Applying a base coat to your nails before using polygel does help the product stick to your nails a little bit better. One step that I did skip, but you may not want to skip if you want your nails to last a long time, is to take a hand file and file over the surface of the nail tip. This will allow the product to adhere better and last a lot longer. After the base coat is applied, I'm going to take the mini lamp that came in the kit and I'm going to cure the nails. So to begin, I'm going to be using the blue polygel, and this one is called Marshmallow. I'm going to place a little bit on the tip of my nail. I'm going to take the polygel brush dipped in some slip solution and I'm going to be spreading out the polygel. If you don't have the nail surface cleanser, which is your slip, you can use some rubbing alcohol, or if you don't want to use either one of those, you can use the base gel as your slip solution. This is a great tip if your polygel is a little bit too sticky to work with. So as you see me doing, I am just making sure that I have a very even layer over the tip of my nail, and then I'm slowly dragging the product up to my cuticle area. You definitely want to make sure to blend this out as best as you can. If you don't blend it that well, when you go to add your second color, it's not going to look very smooth. The good thing about polygel is it doesn't cure on its own, so you have as much time as you need to get a perfect ombre. I did a full cure under the lamp, and then I went ahead and added a little bit more of the blue polygel because I wanted the ombre to be a little bit higher up on my nail. Honestly, you really don't have to cure and then add more polygel, but I wasn't exactly sure how much polygel I needed for this look, so I didn't quite add enough for the first layer. You can go ahead and do this step as many times as you feel like you need to get a good coverage for your ombre. Because this is my second time ombreing with polygel, I did have to go in and add a little bit more to the side of my nail, but after I blended that in with the rest of the ombre, I decided that I liked how it was looking, so I went ahead and cured under the lamp for a full cure. After the nail is cured, I'm taking the purple, which is grape floss, and I'm just applying this to my nail bed. I kind of have a method for applying the polygel, and I feel like it gives me pretty good results. So I like to push the polygel around my cuticle area and get a good clean cuticle line, and then I spread it down to my sidewalls. And once the sidewalls are covered how I want, I do like to go ahead and pull the polygel down my nail. I kind of got this method from watching a few different acrylic application methods. I know some people don't apply their acrylic like this, but I have seen a few videos and it's really satisfying to watch, and I just somehow picked it up, and that's how I like to apply my polygel. So I am just taking the polygel brush and blending in the purple into the blue, and if you notice that you have too much of your base color down onto your tip, you can flip the brush over and use the spatula side to scrape off where you want the base color to stop. Then you can flip your brush back around and blend it in just a little bit more. As I said, you can play around with this step since it doesn't cure on its own. Then I did a full cure under my nail lamp. Then I'm going to take the pink, which is bubblegum, and I'm going to be doing a solid nail for my ring finger. As I said a minute ago, I do have a little bit of a method, so I'm just following that as I apply this polygel to my nail. When I apply my polygel, I do like to try to get the surface of the nail to be as smooth as I can possibly get it, because this does cut down on a lot of the filing time, and I'm not a big fan of filing my nails. I feel like it takes forever and I'm very impatient, so I usually try to get it as smooth as I can. Because I am still fairly new to applying polygel to my nails, I'm not very confident as to how much polygel to put for the length and shape of my nails, so I did put a little bit too much product on this nail, but that's okay because I did go ahead and remove the excess polygel. After I have the nail as smooth as I can get it, I am going to do a full cure under the lamp. For my middle finger, I am using the grape gloss, which is the purple, and I'm doing another solid color nail. To be honest with you guys, I had no clue what design I was planning to do for these nails. Even at this point, I was just winging it. Usually I do try and have a plan for my nails, at least 2 or 3 of them, and the rest just usually falls into place, but this was completely a freestyle manicure. If you guys are still watching this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below what your favorite part about this manicure is. For my index nail, I am just doing another ombre nail, so I'm doing the exact same steps as I did for my pinky. For my thumb, I am doing another solid nail, and this one I am doing the color Marshmallow. This one is my favorite color out of the whole kit. You can never go wrong with blue nails. After all the nails are cured, I'm taking a lint-free wipe with the nail surface cleanser and I'm removing the sticky layer. You definitely do not want to skip this step because once you go to file your nails, it will gunk up your file. After removing the sticky layer, it's time to file the nails. I didn't want to use this hand file because I really love it, so I'm just using a different hand file to file and shape my nails. I'm just reshaping my nails into my coffin, and then I am going to file over the surface of my nails. I didn't do all of them on camera because that's very time consuming, but you just want to make sure to file the surface of your nails as good as you can get it. The smoother your nails are, the more professional that your manicure is going to look. Here are the nails after they are all filed and shaped. So, now it's time for the hard part. I had so many nail design ideas in mind and I had no clue which one to do. So I think I want to try this hollow powder on my thumb as an ombre. I do want to use some of these glitters, especially this one. Like, I really love the color. I do want to use some of these rhinestones, and most definitely I want to use one of the squishy hearts. I haven't seen too many people use some of these shapes, so I do want to add those to my nails as well. I decided to use these two glitters. The one on the left is the cloud one, and the one on the right is the pink glitter. I am also going to be using the top coat, so I'm going to apply a thin, even layer to my entire nail. While the top coat is still wet, I'm going to take my polygel brush and I'm going to dip it into the glitter. I am using the cloud glitter for the base of my nail, and I am trying to place it in an S shape. After that glitter is placed, I did wipe off my brush, and then I'm gonna dip into the pink glitter and I'm gonna finish out the glitter design. After all the glitter is placed, I am gonna cure under the lamp. Off camera, I did add a thin layer of the clear polygel over the glitter because I personally hate the feeling of like rough glitter. So I encapsulated that with the clear polygel, filed it again, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the pink rhinestones to the cuticle area. I did add those stones onto a wet top coat, so I am gonna cure under the lamp. I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing for my index nail, but I am gonna reverse the S shape of the glitter. After I went ahead and placed the glitter on this nail, I was like, man, I should have used like the butterfly glitter for the index nail instead of the same cloud one, because I kind of feel bad that I didn't even use the butterfly glitter when I was really looking forward to using that. Here I'm just showing you that I did encapsulate the glitter on this nail as well. After I cured in the lamp, I did go ahead and add another layer of the top coat so that I could apply the rhinestones to the cuticle area. For my ring finger, I am just adding the top coat to my nail. I wanted to do something kind of simple because I'm not really used to like the big 3D charms on my nails, and I didn't want to like overwhelm myself. So I just tried to apply that on the top coat, and then I was like, man, that's not gonna like stick with top coat. So I added a little bit of the clear polygel and then placed the 3D heart onto the nail and then cured under the lamp. For my middle finger, I'm just applying a thin layer of the top coat. I did want to use some more of those crystals that people don't really use with this kit. So I'm just placing one of the long ones in the center of my nail at my cuticle area, and then I'm placing some of those pink rhinestones on the side. Once I have the placement like I want, I am going to cure under the lamp. To be honest, if you want this to last really good, I would recommend to put a tiny bit of the clear polygel to secure your crystals. Then I'm going to apply a thin, even layer of top coat to my thumb, and I'm gonna cure that under the nail lamp. As soon as you take your nail out of the lamp, you want to take the holographic powder and the applicator and start massaging the hollow powder into your nail. I didn't have too much on the applicator because I wanted to get a very smooth ombre. I was kind of shocked how easy it is to apply holographic powder. I've never applied any of this to my nails before, and I really love how it turned out. After I have it like I want, I'm going to apply another layer of the gel top coat. While that layer of top coat is still wet, I'm going to be taking more of those rhinestone shapes and I'm going to be applying them to the cuticle area. I'm going to cure under the lamp, and here are the nails. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. I had so much fun with this kit, and I'm very sad that it's limited edition. If you watched this far, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this manicure, or if you have suggestions for future nail art. Make sure to hit subscribe because I do post new nail art videos every week. See you guys in the next video. Bye!